bro. Nice ba, bro? Okay, no execute, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, go back, go back, go
Oh?
back, go back, go back.
Oh, oh, oh.
They have Vela, they have Vela, they have Vela. Go back, go back, go back. Go back a bit, go back a
Gonna
bit.
full
Yo,
check,
hit Pinoy,
bro.
hit Pinoy.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hit Pinoy, hit
He
Pinoy.
hit a lot.
Yo, defend Pinoy.
Kahit.
I kill one. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
Wait na.
Baka. Team for Pinoy, guys. I mean,
Very fucking hurts, bro.
Going back. If they're going back.
Perma is free hit, bro. Let's clear this mob.
Yo, there's something to mass, bro.
Yo, there are a lot na, bro. Wow. This is kinda interesting. Go.
Try to catch one.
Just go back, Johan. Okay.
Yo, na.
Silva, andyan ka?
Let them see we're
Fuck
mounting
this.
up again, guys. Come, baka. Let them see that we're mounting up. Let them see we're mounting up. Don't mount up, Cyrus. What the fuck? Just cancel, bro. Let them go deep.
Sino may ano sa party top low?
Kahit pa kayo. Go kite.
Bakit? Ano yan?
What is it?
Screenshot ng
Lagi
party.
pag makakatch ka na, catch ka.
I'll send you. Let me check the
Huli.
word.
Uy! React min! Digat Bob!
Ano gagawin,
Go.
boss Mike, sa party?
The perma.
Fuck silence.
Donut, lipat ko muna kayo, Donut. ah.
Kite.
Fuck, I need to go soon. Oh.
There's something to mass.
It's fine, bro. We can fight. We can clap. We have clap.
Sino kayo sasali, Donut?
just catch when you
Saan
can.
yan? Mas na ba? Di ba 8 pa?
Sa loot split?
Loot split. Guys, you wanna join loot split or no?
Catch someone.
Yes, sir.
He got told you, bro.
Can you send it here?
Yo guys, go back.
Or healer.
That hurt.
Yo, this blood moon, bro. Go deep. This blood moon, look blood moon.
Moy,
Ivy.
Hershey, are you here?
Yo, they're low, like 4 of them.
I don't have execute.
I-re-gear kita mo yung gear, pero di siya pang healer. Okay lang ba? Boy?
This one kite outside. Come kite east.
Pre, nag-crash yung PC. Wait.
Gago ka.
Ayun,
Ay, dilipat ko muna kayo, Aida.
Sige lang.
Cash man. Debe po.
Oh shit. That's
You're with them, Cyrus.
I sent the screenshot.
Boss Mark, ito akong split. Basin pwede ka ito na lang o si break.
Kapili ka?
Itong sa duha ka castle, MJ.
Oo, isa lang.
Lipuntan mo ko mo, boss.
Tanoro ko. Namatay mo di ka, day?
Wala, pero ang OC break lang duha.
Dili, regirable lang ako si break ha. Apel na lang sa split eh.
Sige.
Moy. Nandito ka, Moy, Hershey. Pwede ko ba i-regir ko kayo na na hindi siya pang walang pang healer eh. Worth na lang sa ano.
Yung Eye of Secrets. Tsaka Soldier Helm. Tsaka
Teka.
Cleric Sandals.